Divide 508 by 4 in a long division method. 4 times 1 is 4. On subtracting, we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 4. So we put down this 0 and it is 10. 4 times 2 is 8. On subtracting, we get 2. So again, this 2 is less than 4. So we put down this 8 and it is 28. 4 times 7 is 28. On subtracting, we get 0. So 508 divided by 4 is 127. So this much for today and thanks for watching.